Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to the Easy Guide YouTube channel. Today we're kicking off something brand new, Affinity by Canva. Yep, you heard that right. Affinity 3 just dropped with a bunch of awesome updates, and guess what? It's now totally free. No hidden fees, no subscriptions, just free creative power for everyone. A lot of you guys commented on my post asking for a full course on this, and here we are. So buckle up because we're starting this fresh new Affinity series today. In this first episode, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Affinity by Canva step by step, even if you've never done it before. Super easy stuff, so don't stress it. All right, step 1. Open up your browser and head to the Affinity Studio page. The link's down below in the description, so no need to go hunting for it. Once you're there, click the big Get Affinity button. You'll see a message pop up that says the software is totally free now. Back in the day, it was a one-time paid deal, not too expensive, but Canva decided to make it 100% free for everyone. Pretty sweet, right? Next, hit Sign Up to download. It'll ask you to log in using your Canva account. If you already have one, just hit Continue with Google or whichever option works for you. If you don't have a Canva account yet, no worries. It's free to make one. Takes like a minute. I'm going to continue with Google here. Once you log in, you'll land on the download page. Hit that download button and the setup file, it's around 600 megabytes, will start downloading. Shouldn't take too long depending on your internet speed. When it's done, double-click the setup file, and the installation wizard will pop right up. Just pick where you want to install it, click Install, and if you get any security prompt, hit Yes to allow it. After a few seconds, boom, setup complete. Close the window and let's fire it up. Click the Affinity icon to open it up. You get a quick splash screen, and then it's going to ask you to sign in again with your Canva account. Click Log In, and a new browser tab will automatically open. Once it detects your email, click Open Affinity, and your software is ready to roll. Now you should see the welcome screen. You can choose from different document sizes here. For example, let's go with A4 size to keep it simple. And that's it. Affinity is now good to go. So yeah, that's how easy it is to download and install Affinity by Canva, completely free straight from the official website. Just remember, you'll need that Canva login to access everything. Inside Affinity, you'll see different creative modes, kind of like Adobe apps. Vector mode is like Illustrator. Pixel mode feels like Photoshop. And layout mode works like InDesign. If you're using Canva Premium, you'll unlock some crazy cool AI features, which are super fun to play with. Now heads up, you might see a few tiny bugs or some lag at the start. Don't freak out. It's normal. The team's rolling out updates to fix everything over time. Canva is going head-to-head with Adobe now, and honestly, that's a pretty bold move. All right, folks, that's a wrap for today's tutorial. In the next episode, we're going to dive into the Affinity interface, where all the tools and panels live, and how to set up your workspace like a pro. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and drop a comment if you're hyped to learn more Affinity tricks. Catch you in the next one. Take care and keep creating.